Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone 17 Pro Max lagging. Apply these methods on your iPhone to fix the lag. So let's get started. The very first thing which you want to do, especially if you updated your phone or if you recently got it and move your data over, you need to do this process, which is you are going to quickly press and release the volume up and then volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo appear. So I'm going to be doing the volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that, and make sure that you avoid touching the screen. It will not work, so keep on holding that side button here and wait for the Apple logo to appear. And this is known as a forced restart, which basically shuts down the phone software and reloads the code. As you saw, when I saw the Apple logo, I let go of the side button. And this method will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be saved on your phone. And you want to try to do that again and again. It's just volume up, volume down quickly before holding on to the side button. If it does not work for the very first time, keep on trying. If it's your first attempt doing it, it does take a little bit to get used to. Now, after you have done that, the next thing which you want to do is to go ahead into your settings, go to general, and then you want to check out your iPhone storage. Now, the reason why this is important, if you moved your data over your phone, which is almost full, and you don't have much storage, you are going to have this lagging issue. Whenever apps open up, they need storage, so you want to see where it says the storage amount. Make sure you have at least 5 to 10 gigabyte available for your phone to launch the apps correctly. It does not lag or freeze up, and if you need to delete some stuff, you can go ahead and delete like apps that you don't use, maybe long videos, photos, anything to clear up your storage. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to check out in your iPhone setting is you are going to go back to the main settings, just go to general. Here you are going to check out the background app refresh. Here you can see all the apps that have this background refresh, which is basically keep on pulling content on your Wi-Fi or cellular data in the background. And if you have tons of apps, that could really put a lot of stress on the phone, especially when you recently move your data over. So you are going to turn some of them off, and if you want, you can simply turn it all off, because each time you open up an app, it automatically already refreshed that data for you. Now, after you have done that and you have still having the issue, now the next thing you want to make sure that your phone is at least 20% or more charged. The reason that is because when you first initially use the phone has to calibrate its battery. So if it's under 20%, make sure you charge it. I recommend between 20 to 80% is the most ideal recommended one. And if you have low power mode turned on, this setting will also reduce the functionality and make it feel like it's lagging. So you want to turn that off as well and make sure your phone is charged. And along with that, if you are still having the issue, the next thing you can do is in your iPhone setting. Here you are going to go to accessibility, and in the accessibility section, you are going to see motions. You are going to turn on reduce motion. That basically will make sure all the motions on the user interface that could be seen like you are making your phone. Now, you can always turn this off later if you find that you want the animation back on your phone. And lastly, you want to go ahead and do this, which is in your settings. You're going to go to general, scroll down where it says transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset, and you want to reset all of your settings. Basically, when you do a reset of all the settings, it resets the things like safe Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity devices and keyboard dictionary, any home screen layout, any handwriting and location services. And it's important to do that, especially if you upgraded it or you move things over to the new phone. Things might not work correctly. You can reset the settings themselves. Now, the settings will only reset the setting. It will not delete any of your data, but it's important to do that if you simply are finding that the phone is still lagging. And lastly, of course, the biggest and the final thing when it comes to troubleshooting any iPhone is updating the software. As you know, the iOS 26 is the new software, and there is going to be a new update 26.2 which has some bug fixes currently going around. So updating your phone will be helpful for you. In order to update your device, you need to open up your settings, go to general and then software update and check if there is any update available. Right now there is an update of 26.2. You can update your device to fix the freezing, lagging, or overheating issues of your phone using the software update. So updating your phone is going to be your best bet. And guys, that is pretty much it in this particular video. I hope your iPhone 17 Pro Max is now fixed and it's not lagging anymore. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace.